A heartfelt welcome to all of you to my vlog. My name is Kamna and I am from Shimla. Today I will show you the rainfall in Shimla. This is our courtyard and here take a look at the dripping water. Now let's take a look at the fields where due to the rain cracks have appeared and some parts have been collapsed. This rainfall is wreaking havoc this time. In the forest ahead from yesterday until now, around 8 to 9 tall trees have fallen. You might be hearing a sound, that's my mother chopping fresh green and dry grass. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being with me until now. We'll meet again in the next vlog. Until then, goodbye.